Very pleasant morning to all my dear students. I hope you are fine, doing well, keeping yourself very healthy, fit and fine. Yes? Okay. Today we will deal with the exercise related to chapter number 4. Chapter number 4, numbers 10 to 20. In this session we will deal all the exercises related to our chapter. Before moving further, here again I am telling you that copy work related to chapter number 4 is already uploaded. Please go through it, write it in your copy, and along with writing it is requested to learn the topics also. Okay, please learn it also. So let's start. Kindly be ready with your pencil, eraser and your book, and keep the work very neat and very clean. Okay, let's start. Here at the very first page, here at page number 35, you can see here nothing you have to do, only here 11 is written, and in front of that you have to write down here 1 and 1 how it is written, and same to same here you have to write down ELEVEN. Only this you have to do. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Only this you have to do. Only and only you have to write down the number here and number name here. Okay, I hope you are getting me. Afterwards, what you have to do, along with that you have to revise it one more time, that 11 is called what? 11 we can also call 110 and 1 1. 11 110 and 2 ones. 12 110 and 3 ones. 13 110 and 4 ones. 15 110 and 5 ones. 16 110 and 6 ones. 17 110 and 7 ones. 18 110 and 8 ones. 19 110 and 9 ones. And 20 110 or 10 tens or 210 2 tens. This also you can say 2 tens. Okay. For 20 you can write on 110 and 10 ones or 2 tens. Both things you can write. Okay. Afterwards, what was there? It is there. Let's write the number and its number name. Again, it is the same thing. We have to practice. It is for your practicing only, so that you can write down. Here it is 11. Here you have to write down only and only what? 11. Okay. In front of here also. In front of here also, you have to write down 11, and afterwards you have to write down number names over there. That's it. Nothing more you have to do. Here, come at page number 37. At page number 37, count the numbers of object and match with their respective numbers numeral value. Numeral value means what? Numeral value means this one. When number is written here in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this form, that is called what? That is called numeral form. Here it is what? Here it is numeral form. So, as I already told you, that you have to count these objects and afterwards you have to match. And for matching you have to use what? You have to use scale. One example I am giving you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Where is 15? 15 is here. So you will make a line with the help of scale. While you are matching anything, please use scale only. Without using scale, please don't do anything. Okay? Please use scale. Afterwards, what was there? Here it is written, circle each group of 10 balls, write the number of tens and ones in the given boxes, also write the number names. Okay, here it is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is there, and 13 we have to write down in the form of tens and ones also. Here tens is written, but tens it will be not, but maybe at this place more than tens will come. That's why it is written here. So here let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. In 16, how many 10 and how many ones are there? 110. It will be 110 only. 110, not tens, because 1 is there, no? That's why here tens is written, because in this question maybe 20 will come. If 20 will come, then we will write on what? We will write on 2 tens. That's why tens is written. 1, 10 and how many ones are there? How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 6 ones is there, 1, 10 and 6 ones. And what will be the spelling? The spelling will be SIXTEEN, 16. This will be what? This will be spelling. Like this you will also do this one also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1 and 7. 1, 10 and 7 ones. So what will be the spelling here? Here spelling will be SEVENTEEN. Like this only you will do all the question. Okay, like this only you have to do all the question. I hope you had already done it. Today we will do only quick revision so that you can know that which one is right and which one is wrong. If you find that your any question is wrong, kindly erase and do correct now. Okay, just do it. Let's do it. All the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here it will be 12. And I know that you are knowing the spelling TWELVE. Move further. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 10 and 0, 1. Then it will be what? It will be 10. Moving forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here will be 1 and here will be 4. The spelling will be what? Spelling will be 14. I hope you are getting me. Okay, next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here it will be what? 15. 1, 5, 1, 10 and 5 ones. FIFTEEN. 15. Now next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. 1, 10 and 8 ones. Spelling will be what? Spelling will be EIGHTEEN. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here will be 2 10s and 0, 1. Spelling of 20 will be TWENTY. Moving further to the next question. Here page number 40. Draw less object. In our first chapter we had already discussed about less objects. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you have to draw less objects. Means it must be less than 6. It would be 5 or 4. It's up to you. You have to draw it. Now we have to put the sign. I told you, this sign will be open where we will get the bigger number. Here 17 and 4, which one is bigger? The sign will be this side. Means what? 17 is bigger than 4. Here 15, both the numbers are same. So here will be is equal to 19 and 5. Which number is bigger here? Here 19 is bigger. So that sign will be like this. 14, both the numbers are same. 19, 20 is bigger. It means what? It means 19 is smaller than 20. 19, 10, sign will be this side. Okay. 16, 20, sign will be this side, as you know. 12, 10, sign will be this side. 10 and 7, sign will be this side. 12 and 12, both the numbers are equal. Okay. 13 and 18, sign will be this side. 16 and 18, sign will be this side. 17 and 7, sign will be this side. 16, 15, in front of 16. 11, 30, in front of 13. As you know, the sign will be in front of that number only where we will get bigger number. You can see all the numbers, all the signs are in front of the number where we are getting bigger number. Move forward to the next page number. That is what? That is page number 41. Take the bigger number. 18 and 12, which one is bigger here? 18. 2, 4, which one is bigger here? 4. 9, 19, which one is bigger here? 19. 16, 17, which one is bigger here? 17. 15, 20, which one is bigger here? 20. Here, take the smaller number. Which one is smaller here? 3 and 7, which one is smaller here? 3. 12, 10, which one is smaller here? 10. 4, 9, which one is smaller here? 4. 14, 11, which one is smaller here? 11. 19, 20, which one is smaller here? 19. Okay. Now, next question. Circle the greatest number. Circle the greatest number. 4, 12, 7, 16. Which one is greatest here? Which one is greatest here? 16 is greatest here. So we will make circle around 16. 18, 13, 11, 40. Which one is greatest here? 18 is greatest here. 7, 9, 11, 4. Which one is greatest here? Which one? 11. Yes. 5, 8, 19, 20. Which one is greatest here? 20. 6, 15, 9, 12. Which one is greatest here? 15. Okay. Now in the next question, circle the smallest number. Among these number, which one will be the smallest? We will make circle around that number only. Here which number is smallest here? 4. Here which number is smallest here? 13, 3, 14, 5. Which number is smallest here? 3. 6, 9, 5, 12. Which number is the smallest here? 5. 15, 19, 18, 11. Which number? 11. 17, 7, 16, 19. Which one? 7. We will deal questions related to ascending and descending order. As I already told you that ascending order means what? Here you can see ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. In our previous session, we had already discussed about this topic, and I hope you got it and did practice also. I hope you are getting. Okay, here we have to arrange the number in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. Here you can see 16, 19, 5, 9. These two examples yesterday we had already done, but still you can see one more time. We will do it one more time. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Here which number is smallest here among these? Here you can find that 5 is smallest. Then which number will come? Here 9 will come. Then which number will come? 16. And at the last which number will come? 19. You can see the sequence. The sequence is smallest to greatest. This number among these numbers, this one is the smallest. So it is here, and the numbers are gradually increasing. Means suddenly not. According to this, you have to write down the number is in ascending order. Let's go to the next number. Next number is what? In this group, which number is smallest here? 2 is the smallest here. Then 5. Then 6. And at the last 8. Okay, next one. Which number is smallest here? 7. Then 11. Then 13. And then 15. Okay, moving forward, which number will come here now? Here it will come 16. Then 17. Then 18. And then 20. This is what? This is ascending order. We are arranging the number in smallest to biggest. Now next one, write the given numbers in descending order. Descending means what? First we will write on the biggest number, and at the last smallest number will come. First we will write on the biggest number, and at the last smallest number will come. In this group, which number is biggest here? Here you can see 19 is biggest. Afterwards which number will come? Afterwards 13 will come. Then which number will come? 12 will come. And at the last 4 will come. Okay, here 7, 11, 20 and 12. Which number will be here? Here 20 will be here. Now 12, then 11 and then 7. Afterwards here 20, then 14, then 7 and then 2. Last, which one will be here? 9, 7, 5 and 2. This is what? This one is ascending and this one is descending. One more time I am telling, ascending number means what? Smallest to biggest. Here is smallest, this one is biggest, and descending means what? Biggest to smallest. This one is biggest here and this one is smallest here. Okay, please do practice of ascending and descending order too much, because this is the most confusing topic for class 1. Please do the practice again and again. Dear parents, please make some questions related to ascending and descending order and give them in their rough copy so that they can do practice more and more. Okay, in the book it is already given, in the copy also I have given 4 questions, but still I am requesting you to write down at least 3 to 4 questions from your side so that they can do practice. Okay, now let's do this. I hope this topic you are getting very well. Yesterday I told you that just before, just after, in between. In our chapter 2 we had already discussed how to write down numbers before, numbers after, in the between. Okay, let's revise one more time. Just before means what? You can see on the number line. Number line you are knowing, no? In lesson 2 I told you, no, when we are representing number on a line, that is called what? That is called number line. Here you can see number is written here, and I told you that in this chapter we are reading about 1 to 10, 1 to 9, and next chapter we will read 10 to 20. Then we will read some more numbers. All the numbers we can represent on number line. Here 0 to 20 is written. It doesn't mean that only till 20 number will come on number line. More number means whatever numbers we have in counting, all the numbers we can represent on number line. But here we are talking about only and only till number 20. That's why we are showing here till number 20. Here it is written just before 10. Which number is here? Before 10, 9 is here. So you will write down 9. And in the previous session I already told you that if it is asking numbers before, the blank must be before that number. Here you can see all the blanks are before the number only, and just after you can see here, just after backside you will see one blank, and in the between means in the between you can see blank. Okay, which number will come before, say, 7? 6. Which number will come before 20? 9. Which number will come before 1? 0. Which number will come before 15? 14. Which number will come before 11? 10. Here. Which number will come after 12? Yes, 13. Here you can see after 12 which number is there? 13. After 9 which number will come here? 10. After 17 which number will come here? 18. After 10 which number will come here? 11. After 0 which number will come here? 1. After 9 which number will come here? 20. Sorry, it's 19. By mistake I said 9. Okay, in the between 15 and 17. 15 and 17. Which one is here? Which number is here? Here it is 16. 18-20. 18-20. Which number is here? 19. Here 8-10. 8-10. Which number is here? Here it is 9. Okay. 5-7. 5-7. Here which number will come? 6. 13-15. 13-15. Which number is here? 14. Okay. Next is what? 10-11. 10-12. Here which number will be? Here will be 11. Okay. I hope you got all the topics, and if any correction is there, you had already done. Okay, some activities there. Worksheet 1, join the dots, color the picture and see what you get. It's your homework, it's your activity that you will do. You have to match all the numbers, and afterwards you have to color. And what you have to do, worksheet 2, help Ashima to reach her favorite heart shaped cookies. Write the missing number. Here you have to write on the missing number. 1, then 1. These hearts are blank. You have to write, and you have to reach till here. Okay, I hope you will do it. Regarding this chapter, some copy work is also there that you had already got, and I hope you have written it also. What you have to do, you have to do this. All the number names you have to learn. Number names mean what? From number 1 to 20 we had already done. From number 1 to 20 we had already discussed. 1 to 9 sorry 1 to 9 we discussed in chapter number 2, and from 10 to 20 we discussed in this chapter. So it's my humble request to learn all the spellings from 1 to 20. Okay, and along with the spellings or number names, it is my request to learn all the fill in the blanks. Okay, whatever fill in the blanks are given, please learn that. Okay, fill in the blanks, and whatever copy work is going, please, it's my humble request to write it very neatly. Okay, please do it afterwards. Learn it. Keep yourself very healthy, fit and fine. Meet you in the next session. Thank you.